Welcome back to the next installment of our Dakis University series on the website editor tool. I'm Matt from Dakis, and today we're going to learn how to add, replace, and manage images in the editor tool. Here we are on the Canvas Wraps page. Let's click on the image in the right-hand column. This brings up the Image Content panel. Here we can see the image preview, name, and size. Under the image, we have the Replace and Edit buttons. Let's click Replace. This opens the image picker. Here we can scroll through existing site images to find a replacement. We can also type what we're looking for in the search panel to save time. Using filters, we can display only images we've added to the site or include royalty-free images that can be added. Lastly, you can upload images from your computer. Let's click on the Upload button now to find an image. This will open your file browser so you can find the file to add. For best results, keep as close to the same image size and aspect ratio as the original whenever possible. There are two other main places we might want to replace an image: in the background of a row or in the background of a column. Let's change the background image of the page header. Let's click on the header banner row. This will bring up the Row Design Options panel. From here, we can add or change an image, video, or color for the row background. For the time being, we only want to change the banner image, so let's click back on the image option. Like we saw earlier, we can see the image name and size under its thumbnail. Let's click on Replace to go find another banner image. Once again, we have the option to use the search panel or to filter between site and free-to-use images. Let's upload our own. Now that we've added a new image, we can adjust its display options like cover, full image, and tile. If the image extends past the frame, we can adjust it using the position arrows. Let's set this to start at the top and center of the image. You can also choose an overlay color, toggle the overlay on or off, and set the overlay opacity. To change the background image of a column, follow the same process as for a row. Left-click into the column and change the image in the style settings following the same steps we just took. Be sure to check out our other videos for more information about how to best use your Dakis solutions. You can find that and more at help.dakis.com. Visit today.